Why do rainforests have so many different plants and animals? Well, imagine a big party where everyone brings their favorite food. If everyone brought the same thing, it would be boring, right? In rainforests, each plant and animal has a special job, like cleaning up or making food. They all help each other, like friends at a party. But here's the twist. Some animals wear invisible clothes to hide from others. This makes the rainforest a magical place where everyone plays a part. So rainforests need all their friends to keep the party going.